Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get CapCut templates from TikTok. So if you are a TikTok and also a CapCut user, you can easily find the trending CapCut templates on TikTok, and here is how you can do that. So first, you can easily find it on the For You. Scroll down to your FYP page here. You can easily find like this. For example, this is the CapCut template, and you can just click on this buttons right here, and then just click on the use template in CapCut, and you'll be directed to the CapCut apps, and you can just use the templates that you. And the second way is that you can find it directly with a certain keyword. For example, with Anderson CapCut template. Okay, this one. So you can just easily find the one that you want to use, and then click on this CapCut try this template button again at the bottom, and just like before, you'll be directed to this page, and you can just click on the use template in CapCut, then click on the use template again, and then just select your clips that you want to use on the template. Okay, after you choose the clips or photos, just click on preview, and just like that, you'll get that CapCut templates that you choose from TikTok before. And here you can also make some adjustment. You can change the text, sound, filter, and if you already like it, you can just click on export. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.